Hi everyone สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to Gina Makeup. Today isn't about makeup because I'm gonna be talking about Thai slang words and all 5 slangs. Those are the most updated of 2021. Let's go! Number 1 would be Hyung sang. The first syllable Hyung means I'm hungry. I hunger for those food. And the second syllable sang. Sang means a light, spotlight. So when we put it into slang, it means like I want to be popular. That guy craves for a spotlight. She'll do whatever it takes to be memorized as an important person. Let me give you an example. Have you heard about this guy? His name is Spencer Elden. As you can see, he's holding a picture of himself. Yeah, that's him. When he was a baby, we can see through everything, even his baby penis. Now this is the fun part. Have you guys recognized this picture from somewhere? No?
Nope.
Yes? Ding ding ding! This picture is the album's cover of Nirvana back in 1991. So now that makes Spencer like a 30-year-old man. Man, how cool is that?
Wow.
You know, being on the album's cover of the most popular rock band ever. Apparently, Spencer is not happy about it.
Oh my god.
I mean, for now. Recently, he's filed a lawsuit against the band. Of course, surviving members because Kurt Cobain is dead. He said that the picture constitutes child pornography. Get a grip, man. It was a long time ago. I think he should be proud of himself. If he sues the band, I think he should sue his parents because they are responsible for, right?
Oh yeah.
Either he's after the money or he wants to be a spotlight. That is Hyung sang. Spencer is totally Hyung sang. Moving on. Number 2, Bang. Bang is a meme of gunfire. Like when the gun is shot fire. We Thai people make a sound like bang 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 bang. It's weird, right? In many parts of the world, it goes like bang bang bang. But in Thailand, we go with bang. Anyway, when we put it into slang, it means wow, she's so cool. That is dope, splendid, excellent, wicked. How about examples, huh? You guys know Lisa Blackpink, right? She is having her first solo album. The song was released a couple days ago. It's trending worldwide. Everyone has been talking about it. I mean, look at her. She is so gorgeous. She's so cool. She's a badass. She rocks it. She's the queen. I mean, look at her. Yeah, that's what we can say. Lisa is bang, bang. The MV is very, very bang, bang, mak. Bang can be used to refer to a variety of things like people, environment, animals, situations, circumstances. It can be a lot of things. Let me give you another example. Places. I have always dreamed to go to Santorini in Greece because the place is beautiful. It would be so bang if I could be there. Another example of things like, my dream car would be a Ferrari. If I could drive a Ferrari once in a lifetime, that would be so bang, bang มาก Moving on. Number 3, Monglong. The term is originally from the beauty pageant. Mong means a crown. Long means down, going down. So when we put it into slang, it's like a crowning moment. when you see a beautiful girl right there in front of you, you say something like, wow, she is damn gorgeous. Monglong is similar to Pang. The difference is that Monglong is specifically used to refer to people, not things, not animals, especially a woman. Supposedly, you see this girl, and then the next day, bam! Whoa! Now you might be wondering what she had done with herself. Did someone cast a spell on her? Well, I'm telling you now, it's not a plastic surgery. She didn't do anything. That is a pure makeup, people. I did that. Didn't I tell you I am a makeup artist?
Nope.
Yeah, I'm telling you now, right? Now that's when we say, oh my god, Monglong, whoever did this to her, hands down, people, hands down. That is one masterpiece. That is Monglong. Number 4, gang. The actual meaning of gang is anything that is hot soup. It refers to a Thai cuisine. Now it's different when we put it into slang. It means like I got punked. I got pranked. The best example would be an American prank TV show called Impractical Jokers. Let's just watch it. A prank show is where there is hidden camera and it's got this prank crew and got these innocent people who have no idea what is going on around them. It's actually funny. I like this show. Those innocent people, they've been gagged. Another example would be, yeah, look at the picture. This is very cute, man. With animals, we do it for fun. It's a joke. Yeah, like this one. It's pretty funny, huh? Yet it's cute. That poor little dog has been gagged. Moving on. Now the last one, เอาปากกามาวง The actual meaning is like grab your pen and mark a circle on it. Think of it like when we do a photo hunt. We spot the differences and then we mark a red circle on them. So when it comes to slang, it means like, I think I'll give you an example. These are a group of Thai influencers or beauty bloggers. ไม่เหมือนตรงไหนเอาปากกามาวงYou see anything that doesn't look like what Lisa is wearing? If you see it, just mark a circle on it. Crystal? That would be all. See you guys next time. Bye! สวัสดีค่ะ